It is consistent with several species common to the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia. Its chestnut or round body fair with a darker head suggests a five possibility. Rotations identification Rufus sevia. This species is striking orange or varial bud, characterized by its rufous orange plumage and dark scrub. It is commonly found in the northern parts of the Indian subcontinent, specifically lower to middle Himalayas. Indian Triphyia, a long-tailed chestnut brown bird with a floppy head and neck. It is typically found in wooded areas, scrub jungle, and even residential garden in Indian Malabar starling. The male of this species has orange underpart or contract sharply with a white or gray head. It is found in open area with scattered tree. The bird appears to be perched on